Inventory has increased to 179 homes for sale in all of the Annapolis zip codes, priced between $184,000, $900,000 and $19,995,000, with a median sales price of $650,000 and an average of 68 days on the market. 70 of these homes have had price reductions recently. It's Friday, September 10th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis inventory continues to remain low. However, days on the market are increasing. Here's what's happened since my last week's report. 39 homes were listed for sale. This is an increase from the recent report. 23 homes are coming soon. 22 homes went under contract since last week. 40 homes are temporarily off the market, and this is an uptick. 9 homes moved to pending. This is down. 28 homes sold over the past week, and this is almost half of what has been selling. The highest price home to sell this past week was this Chesapeake Landing townhouse for $1,605,000. Rental inventory has ticked up a bit to 26 homes priced between $1,700 and $7,000, with them on the market an average of 22 days thus far. This is reflecting an increase in the number of days on the market before going to lease. This is also up 10 days from recent 30 days. This reflects a softening in the rental market. Stay tuned. That's your Annapolis real estate market snapshot for Friday, September 10th, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.